The coast of California around Monterey Bay is known worldwide for its spectacular rocky shoreline, dunes, and sandy beaches, great green waves, and quiet bays such as Elkhorn Slough, where sea otters, harbor seals, sea lions, and thousands of shorebirds vie for space. Discovery of a giant canyon just offshore, deeper, wider, and longer than the Grand Canyon, has inspired scientists to figure out how it came to be and to explore the canyon's bizarre forms of life. Giant jellies, lacy basket stars, shrimp and squid that glow in the dark with their own silver blue lights. Most of all, the Monterey area is known for the enormously productive cool waters that wash along the shore, the eastern edge of the Pacific Ocean, the largest, widest, deepest, and oldest ocean on Earth. Early in the 20th century, Monterey attracted commercial fishermen who in turn were attracted to the region's large number of whales, prodigious number of salmon, and especially to the enormous schools of sardines. Millions of tons were captured and canned, the source of fish meal and food for many people, but leaving less for sea creatures that had no alternatives. By the 1940s, the sardines had virtually disappeared, and in due course, other popular fished-for species, salmon, abalone, rockfish, lingcod, tuna, halibut, and others, also sharply declined. By the 1990s, disruption of the ocean food webs was obvious, and the allure of the coast had attracted so many people to the region that loss of the natural coastal lands and contamination of coastal waters became matters of grave concern. The connection between a healthy, prosperous ocean and healthy, prosperous people gradually came into focus and inspired the designation in 1992 of more than 5,000 square miles of ocean as the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. You should come personally to the bay, get wet, discover secrets the otters and abalone have known for thousands of years. Meanwhile, you can stay dry and come dive here into the Monterey Ocean Wilderness.